Mom, can Emma come over today?
Emma? Your friend from school?
Yes. We did our homework together and she lives nearby.
That sounds nice. Did you ask her parents?
Not yet. Can I call her?
Of course. Ask politely.
Okay! Hi, Emma. Do you want to come to my house today?
What did she say?
She said yes. Her mom said it's okay.
Great. What would you like to do together?
We want to draw pictures and play with my dolls.
That's fine. But first, please clean your room.
Even my toys?
Yes, especially the toys.
Okay. I want Emma to feel welcome.
That's very kind of you.
Can we also bake cookies?
If you help me in the kitchen, yes.
Yay! I'll wash my hands and clean my room now.
Good choice. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. Today will be fun.
It will be, sweetie. I'm so glad.